Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove these extremely annoying icons that Google Drive places on your folders. For some reason, on the last update for Google Drive for the desktop, they removed the ability to get rid of these icons, which is just incredibly stupid in my opinion. So today I'm going to show you how to brute forcefully remove those, and yeah, so let's go. First thing you're going to do is open your registry editor. You can press the Windows plus R key and type in reg edit, or you can just search for reg edit on the start menu. Once you get in here, you're gonna go into HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, and shell icon overlay identifiers. Once you open this key, you're gonna find 4 Google Drive keys inside of it, and what you're gonna do is click on every single one of them, go inside the default value, right click and click delete. I already did this to these two, but as you can see, the third and fourth keys still have a data value in them. So what you're gonna do is click them, right click, delete, yes. Right click, delete, yes. Now as you can see, all of the 4 keys have a not defined value in them, and that's what it should look like. So what you're gonna do now is restart Explorer, and once you open your file manager, they're gone. They are completely gone, and you now have a clean file explorer, and Google Drive is still syncing your files with no issue. So I hope this video helps someone that has the same issue with these really annoying icons, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.